Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is OSARO. If you are coming across this video for the first time, you are welcome. And to my returning subscribers, you are the best. Thank you so much for always coming back. On this channel, we make vlogs, recipes like the one you are watching now, and other interesting content. So do well to subscribe and hit the like button. In this video, I'll be showing you how I made this delicious, sumptuous, yummy mackerel sauce. So please watch this video to the end. I made use of shombo, tomatoes, onions, scotch bonnet for this pepper mix. I blended roughly because it's not stew and we need some texture. While I was done, I poured it into a pot to boil for 10 to 15 minutes so that the water can dry. While the pepper mix was on fire, I proceeded to cut and clean my mackerel fish. Guys, mackerel fish doesn't need a lot of effort after cleaning. You just need to season it with salt, and some people use black pepper, but for me, I just season with salt. And then I checked back on my pepper mix. The water was dry, but not as dry enough as I wanted. I just left it to keep drying. And then I came back to it after frying my fish. Guys, this time around I decanted the fish oil. I poured in some palm oil because we needed both of them. Then I put in chopped onions and some iru. Iru is locust beans, by the way, for those of you that don't know. And I just allowed it to saute for a bit. Once that was done, I started perceiving the aroma of deliciousness. I poured in my pepper mix and I stirred for a bit and let it fry for another 4 to 5 minutes. I needed to add in more palm oil because I realized that the sauce was a little bit dry. Then I added my ground ginger, my garlic, some more ginger because I'm extra. And then my bouillon cubes. Then I stirred to incorporate the ingredients and tasted. I didn't use salt in this recipe because the bouillon cube I added was enough. Then I allowed it to fry again a bit. Once it had fried, I added crayfish. Crayfish takes this sauce to another level, guys. Then I just gave it one more last stirring. Once I was certain that everything had fried enough, the taste was okay, I added in my gengen mackerel fish. This fish is so delicious. I just allowed it to cook for another 2 minutes. And then I put in 2 boiled eggs. This is optional, by the way. It's up to you. You can use egg, you can omit it. And just let it cook for a bit. Final a bit. You guys, this sauce is ready. It was delicious. If you watch this video to the end, let me know, will you be trying this and what will you be pairing this sauce with? Because for me, I paired it with white rice and beans. It hit the right spot. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Remain blessed.